kind of like Green Day went through the same thing when they like kind of became more commercialized. I like Green Day.
I don't know. My opinion softened up on Green Day over the years. Well, the thing is, because now all I hear is that stupid ass like reggaeton beat on every fucking song, and like auto-tune and really shitty synths and drum machines.
Yep.
And this is coming from a keyboard player. So like, if like I used to hate the band Bush,
How can you? His name is Bush.
Well, I just didn't like Gavin, whatever his fucking. It sounded like he was trying. Yeah, he sounded like he was constipated. Couldn't take a shit.
Well, he's British. What do you expect?
Yeah, and now if Bush comes on, they're like, if Everything Zen comes on the radio, I'm like, yeah, real instruments, yeah.
Bush.
I hated them in college.
I wonder if instead of doing an unplugged concert, do they do a shaved concert?
Shaved. See Bush as you've never seen him before.
See
shaved.
Yeah, see Bush completely shaved.
MTV shaved.
Bush.
Shaved Bush. New album from Bush, completely bullshit. And then when they want to go semi-acoustic, trim.
Check out their international effort. Hitler mustache.
Nicely groomed.
Nicely.
And when they want to go balls out, Bush, wild and free.
Bush with Bootsy Collins, 70s birth.
Rumble in the jungle.
That's not a rumble I want. Fucking Bush.
I wonder they should have done that. They should have totally fucking done that.
I would have done that. Well, they're British. They have no sense of humor.
No,
but I mean,
not.
That'd be great. Hey, before we go, we got voicemails.
Oh, right. I forgot about audience.
Oh, yeah. Me too, actually. That's the nice thing is, we're not sitting going, no one's writing in.
No one's writing. Who gives a fuck? Fuck them.
Yeah, fuck them.
No, that's, see, I wonder what, like, before you go on to the voicemail, I just want to take this one step further. The band Extreme.
No.
They should have just put, like, all sorts of, like, extreme balls, extreme, whatever, like, but what would you, how do you go extreme unplugged?
Well, I'm going to make a radio show joke here. They could be extreme restrained. Hey-ho.
No, if you want to go extreme unplugged, that's when you don't even sing into a microphone. There's no PA, it's just the acoustic guitars.
I want Daft Punk unplugged.
How would that work?
Around the world, around the
Yeah, that's about
world.
as far as it was. Yeah, I like EDM unplugged. That means
I like that idea.
Quiet.
It's dubstep unplugged.
No, because all you hear, you ever hear like, can I get this? That's me playing the keyboard with it turned off.
Well, there's always the
I'm
gorillas.
sorry, I was playing too fast.
There's always the gorillas. There's the gorillas that aren't even a real band. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Remember Blur?
Yeah.
I got my head checked. He did. He started a band called the Gorillas, and it's literally they're like a fake band.
That wasn't
So-
the one. Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking of something else.
They're the one. Sunshine in a bag.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
But it's crazy. They actually do concerts and everything.
But then they're a real band.
But they don't do concerts.
Right.
It's like you literally watch a screen with the characters on it.
Oh, that's.
You're gay.